Alright, so in this video I'll be unboxing the Foredom K2230 that I got in the mail today. And I'm going to show you everything that comes with this and how to set it up. Also, this was sent to me free of charge from Pepe Tools. They didn't pay me any money to say anything nice about this, neither did Foredom. So basically they supplied me with this, and I'm allowed to say whatever I want. So here we go. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to get in the box. So of course it has a bunch of paperwork inside of it and a registration form that I will have to do later. The owner's manual, and it has a 2-year warranty. I'll have to look through this later. And an entire catalog of more Foredom stuffs. And it looks like bits for all of the Foredom stuffs. So this one comes with a bunch of different accessories. You can get these without them too if you really wanted to. And some lubricant for the flex shaft itself, because you actually need to lubricate that every so often or it gets really loud, as I found out, and can wear it down. Here's the handpiece for it. So yeah, it's a nice little handpiece. And it's the chuck activated one, so you have to basically screw this in or out depending on the size of your bit, but it gives you a wide variety of stuff you can use. So you can use drill bits, or you can use other different wheels that are all different sizes, and it doesn't care. So something like this can only take one size, but all you have to do to open it is that, and then close it. So they have their pros and cons. So yeah, these are very nice and universal. I keep going through the box. This is a holder for all little bits and a lot more, and it spins, and that looks really cool in the camera actually. So that's going to be nice to have. And if I start putting stuff in this, I could not have it on my little wall and drop them all the time when I'm hammering. So this one also comes with their pedal, the one that I suggest everyone buys because it just works, and I've had no problems with it because I actually have one of these pedals hooked up to a different flex shaft. Alright, and here is the main event basically, the actual motor. And you'll see that you can actually go forward or reverse with this, which is not something I'm able to do on the cheap one that I have, or even the Dremel tools that I've used in the past. So that's going to be interesting, and I'll have to figure out why I need to go backwards, but yeah, at least I have that option. The actual flex shaft part of it is already attached. You can see that right here. And here is the end. That's another thing, you can buy one of these motors with the pedal and have no handpiece. So there's a lot of options for what you want to buy and how you can set them all up. So setup on these are really simple. All you really need to do is plug the plug into the foot pedal and then the foot pedal into the wall. Do not plug this directly into the wall because it will just turn your motor on if it is on either one of the settings, and it'll just go at its maximum RPMs. So don't do that. You just plug this in, like so, and then take this in and plug it into the wall. So to set up the flex shaft and the handpiece, you just need to make sure this little key lines up with the inside of your flex shaft. You can kind of see that little ring down in there, how there's a cutout. You want the key to go inside that cutout. So just like that, it should snap into place. And if it doesn't snap all the way down and meet up with this, you're not lined up inside, so just remove this and try again. So now, technically everything here is set up and will run. I need to hang this motor still, But let me show you that it does work. So that's the basics of that. You're going to need a hanger for it, like I said. I have one that's mounted to my desk. So basically it goes all the way up. So here's my other motor. I can't just take this down right this second because it has zip ties holding in the wiring, because I have a custom setup for my foot controls, so I can control multiple things at once. So let me cut and take this down and put up the new one. Alright, so I have it all set up. It's hanging up now and I have full control over it. Putting bits into it should be as easy as putting it into the collet for it and tightening it down. I actually do like this tool a little bit more than the other one that I have. So when it comes to actually controlling it, let's see how it does. So this is just a abrasive wheel that I put on here, but yeah, it's very smooth feeling in the hand. I think the bearings in my other one are either bad or just not as high quality as this one's, because yeah, there's a big difference. The feel of this and even the motor itself seems smoother. If you don't know, you can control the speeds on these down to like barely turning or going as fast as you want. But yeah, I have a lot more to do with this. I have more videos planned to use this. You also can switch out the hand pieces for different ones pretty easily on a flex shaft like this. So those are some things you're going to see in some future videos. So if you want to get one of these and save $30 on your order, you can go to Pepe Tools and order one. And just use the code MEOW at checkout, and it'll take $30 off your order, or any order that is over $100. So if you like this video, you might want to check out the other video I made showing how I set up all of my workbench to work off just one pedal. And I'm going to be putting that right over here. So other than that, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Your love.